Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select Browse at the bottom in the middle. And lastly, select the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!